Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we got an exciting tutorial lined up for you. If you have ever wondered how to effortlessly convert Word document to PDF right on your mobile device, you are in right place. Stay tuned as we walk you through the simple and convenient steps to make your document transformation process a breeze. To convert a Microsoft Word document to PDF, we are going to use this Microsoft 365 app. So first I am going to open this app. Now you can see in the home of this app, I have already downloaded a file that is CV template. So now I am going to open this document. So this is the CV template. If you want to edit this document before changing it to PDF, you can go to this pen icon on the top and then you can edit anywhere in the document. Once you have done with the editing, just click this tick. Going back. So we are now back in the home tab of this app. Now I am going to click this three dot button in front of this file name and here I will click this convert to PDF. Now the document is being converted to PDF. Once this process is completed, we have to click this three dot button and here I will select the save as, and now I can save this anywhere in my device. I am closing this app. Now let's open this PDF document. For this purpose, I am going to my files and here I will go to internal storage. Then I will select these documents and here you can see this CV template. So your document is converted to PDF. And there you have it. Converting Word document to PDF on your mobile device is now a piece of cake. Whether you are on the go or need a quick solution, this method will save you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-savvy tips. As always, if you have any question or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.